What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Norfolk Island episode. This is the last episode of the mini-series and it is a banger.
Man, how many have we done?
Done about 4, I reckon. Yeah, 4. This is the 4th one anyway. So enjoy this episode. Absolutely sensational views off the top of Mount Pitt. We've now arrived at Anson Bay. Now my Mrs. Cat, her maiden name is Anson. So we had to come check it out. Also, apparently there is a nice little beach there too. So I'm gonna take the kids down and we should be able to walk down here. I'm taking a pram. Oh, look at that, it's just opening up to a nice little bay. So we'll go check it out. See how we go, see how well maintained these tracks are. Pretty much made it down to the bottom, but have a look at this. Through the trees here, there's like an old ruin, little building. Not sure what it's for, but look at the view it has. Insane. Looks like there's a fire pit, and I'd say all the young people would come down here and get a fire going whilst watching that beautiful view. You'd get an awesome sunset through here as well. Stunning spot. Looks like up there, maybe the rocks broke off. Fell down here. This is crazy. Look at that.
Let's climb up.
Look at this rock, boys.
Oh, Mama, this would be a good way.
4-wheel drive mode. Let's go. Here we go. Oh. Where's the 4-wheel drive? Oh, wheel lifts. Dual wheel lift.
Yeah.
Here we go, babe. Get it done.
Daddy.
Oh, George. Look at the flex. Go, son. Whoa, whoa! What a wheel lift. Oh, you can hear the ocean roaring down here massively. Battery's running out, so I'm just going to leave it here. We're going to enjoy this epic spot here at Anson Bay. Definitely come check it out if you're here on the island. It's probably the second most prettiest beach I've seen so far. Emily Bay being number 1. And once we're finished up here, we're going to go for lunch at the Sunset Bar, which is open from 12:30 till about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. That's going to be pretty cool. I'll have some lunch there. So hopefully I've got enough battery to show you guys that. Should be good. Stay tuned. Just made it up the top from Anson Bay. Such an awesome view. What do you reckon to the walk up? Go, Leo. Push. So if you're chasing an epic uphill workout, this is definitely it. It is insane. Loving it. So now off to the Sunset Bar for a few bevies, beveraginos, and hopefully a bite to eat. Stay tuned. Here we are, we just arrived at the Sunset Bar. Check this out. GoPro died, so just running on the iPhone at the moment. But it's over there, so we're gonna walk across this field here, straight through the entrance. They've got a pool there, but we're not gonna go for a swim, unfortunately, because it's a private pool, but there'll be music playing. I needed some hydration after that massive walk up from Anson Bay. It's about 1 kilometre, and yeah, good 10 minutes down and then about 20 minutes up. So a bit of sand in there. Cocoa Coast, love it. Bit of a boost of hydration. Here we are, we finally found the cruiser, the only cruiser with airbag suspension on the back on Norfolk Island. How sick is that? Look at it. So good. What a legend. Yeah, we're here at Anson Bay again, going for another wonder because the parents haven't been yet, and it is a pretty epic walk, so we're going to do it for a third time. Loving it. Yeah, George, let's go. Woo! Woo!
Amazing.
We would just like to say a massive thank you to everyone supporting the channel. Make sure you drop a like and a comment on the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out.
Yeah, boy, enjoy the rest of the episode. Thing that we noticed down here at Anson Bay, especially, is there's a lot of burnt plastic. Have a look at this.
We always pick it up whenever we're on beaches.
So the reason why there is a lot of burnt plastic, there's a place around here, I think it's called Headstone, and I think whoever it is, whether it's council, whatever it is, they've stopped coming to collect the plastic off the island. So what the guys here are doing is literally just burning it on a little cliff edge, and it's just going out into the ocean and then washing back up onto the beaches here, which is not good. So whoever's organising that, either get rid of the plastic off the island properly, don't use plastic at all, and yeah, definitely don't burn it and leave it there to blow off into the ocean, because that is not good. So it looks like the locals come down here and they just pick up all the small bits of burnt plastic and put it in a bin. So there's a bin over here which I thought was just literally for people to just chuck their rubbish in when they come down for a picnic, but it's not. It's all the burnt plastic. So hopefully they don't go and put that whole bin full of plastic near, or where they go and burn the plastic at Headstone, because it'll just go straight back into this bin probably, but out into the ocean. It's not good at all. Look at all that. Anyway, that's my plastic rant. Let's get rid of the plastic, eh? Don't use it, because we're wrecking these beautiful places. Anson Bay done for a third time. Now we're off to the place where we were meant to have wood-fired pizzas on the Friday night, which is called Castaway Bar. They're not going to do wood-fired pizzas for lunch, but they'll have something there, and they have a brewery as well where they brew their own beer. Let's go check it out. This is what Benny's been waiting all trip for.
Norfolk Brewing.
What did you see?
I saw a fella on a dirt bike and he was wearing a Norfolk Brewing hoodie, and it was like, it looked cool. I hope they sell them.
Support the locals.
I'm keen to try the beer too.
Keen for a bevy?
Yes,
Yeah.
always.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big George. Babe. How's the beer looking?
That's good.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Crisp. We have arrived at the Norfolk Island Golf Course. We're going to do 9 holes. You excited, boys? Gonna hit a golf ball?
Yeah.
Yeah. Excited? Who's going to win?
Me. Gonna smash all the boys.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna.
That sounded really wrong.
Sus.
No, I'm winning. I'm winning.
All right.
No, I'm winning.
Let's go.
I'm winning.
The grounds around here are absolutely beautiful. You'll see it as we go along. It's going to be cool. This spot here, so good. Literally hitting from here. Yeah, nice, a bouncer, grubber. Playing the wrong sport, Ben. We don't do grubbers in golf.
Right, shoot right down there.
So there's this little ledge here, a little cliff. We've got to drop the ball right there. Mine's over here somewhere. Benny's is rolled down here.
Cat's about to go.
Cat's about to go now onto the women's spot. Should be good. What an epic view as well. Can't believe it. Bit of a little lookout castle thing over here, whatever that is. Pretty sick. Some insane waves through here. Look at this. That wave, far out. Oh God. Come on, Ben. Come on. You gotta finish it off, finish the episode off. Come on, Benny.
11, 12,
Let's go.
14, 15.
Oh, yes. Into the other bush. That's a wrap, guys. We hope you enjoyed watching this episode. It was an awesome trip, Norfolk Island. So if you missed out on the previous episodes, we will whack those in the description below. You gonna finish it off with Stradbroke Island? And
Oh yeah, we've got a few more coming out. We've got Stradbroke Island,
Morton Island.
Morton Island. We've got a tank with extreme
Delivery
martinis.
of a tank.
It's epic.
There's so many more episodes to come,
And
so
some,
stay tuned, eh?
some other things.
Yeah, some other things, just quietly. See you later. See you in the next one.